Here's the current market update for Gamestop Corporation, stock ticker GME. So for today's update, I just thought that I would sort of take a look around the internet and see what other people are posting about this. The first thing that I sort of came up with here was this top listing, which says AMC GameStop, $2,218 per share, exclamation point, on and on. Roaring Kitties, secret signs, get ready. In the thumbnail here is also very interesting. It says $2,218 per share. How did we not see this? He points to some sort of mysterious chart activity. And he's also got some brewskis here, some brew dogs. Looks like he's partying. Okay, so I take a look at the video itself, and what I saw was I thought very interesting. I just wanted to say that I'm really proud of what I saw here, and I thought that some of these comments were extremely funny and spot on, very smart. You guys are going to task against somebody that has done nothing but be incorrect about the stock the entire time. So as we can see here, apparently AMC is going to go to the moon because a movie was released. The first person says, "Not a thing will happen tomorrow." Number two, I may as well read tea leaves. Number three, all news, but AMC is going down. Next one, you're taking the bait from the shills on Reddit and just parodying it here. Every other week, it's something different. 728, 828, 988, 2288 per share. Emoji face. Yeah. Get ready, you guys. You're obviously making money on clicks. Get ready. Nothing is happening as usual. Knock it off, giving people false hope. Just buy Nvidia instead. If you guess 100 times and you're right once, it doesn't count. LOL. Bro, what effing fun you talking about? These stocks haven't moved since September 23. All we hear is soon. It's coming right around the corner every day. Bro, I can't keep falling. I can't keep falling for this anymore. Broken clock is right twice as much as you. The more you try to pump, the more they're going down. I mean, on and on. So I just wanted to point these out because I thought that these were, very funny comments, and I think you guys are completely correct. I want to say that I 100% agree with you. If somebody on YouTube tells you to do something, it's probably going to be wrong or probably, just misleading. And as we can see here, the ultimate result here in the current share price action has not been positive. We are still moving in the negative direction here. And these movements to the downside at the moment are significant because we're starting to break through this $22 level. This is a level that we've been watching here. We can go back to these prior lows, which came in roughly toward the beginning of the month. And we can see that these, the share price action here did find some support at 22.30. And then we did manage to see a very significant move higher all the way up into the $30 level. However, that has not happened this time. We did break through this level. And this does sort of force us to go back in time here a bit to find the next support level to the downside. This chart does start to flatten out a bit here as I move back. But, what we really have to start looking at here would be this price zone right here, which does unfortunately come in near the 1760 mark. This is the price low from the later parts of May, roughly May 24. There are kind of two levels to watch now to the downside. Now that we've broken through this 2230 level, the next level of support does come in at the psychological support zone that's found at $20 per share. Could there be some buying activity there? I think it's possible. I definitely think it's possible. But the real question from that point is going to be whether or not share prices continue to decline, because from there, as we can see, just going kind of back in time here, the next level to the downside does come in at 1760. These are going to be important factors to watch here, important levels to watch, largely because, we're seeing major sell-offs in some mega cap stocks at this point. I think one of the comments said that, it's better just to buy Nvidia. It's trading below 108. It's an interesting point to make because, it does show that, there have been major declines in large sections of the market. It's not just GameStop that's trending lower here. And to be totally honest, GameStop really hasn't fallen as much as some of these other stocks have fallen. I've released, several videos on many mega cap tech stocks, supposedly safe companies, that have really fallen through the floor and seen major support levels break, major destruction in market cap and things like that. And to the same extent, we have not really been seeing that with GameStop, even though these are declines. I mean, I'm not going to sugarcoat the situation. I'm not going to say that the prices are rallying here because they're not. But overall, it does stand to reason that if the broader market is selling off, it's going to be more difficult for a stock like GameStop, a smaller cap company, to gain traction and to start moving in the upward direction. So overall, what I would need to see to the top side if we do see sharp prices turn around here, I would need to see a break back above this 2330 level. If we do see a break above there, I think that would start to take some pressure off of the downside because at that point we would be trading back above the exponential moving average cluster. As we can see here, these moving averages are declining. So that has sort of a dual effect of one, creating resistance levels at lower and lower levels, which is a negative thing. But the flip side of that is that, it doesn't take as much price movement to the top side to start to break through those moving averages. So currently, this is really what I would be looking at. This 2330 level, if we were to sort of extend this out, we can see that this would put us above the 20 period, 50 period, and 100 period exponential moving averages. And then since this is the 15-minute chart and this 200 period EMA is currently declining, it would probably put us above that level as well. So, we're sort of rolling out of oversold territory here a bit. That is a bit of a positive here. But I would not start to be optimistic on this stock unless I see a break above this 2230 level. There are some important earnings releases that are, seen elsewhere in the market tonight. We will be seeing earnings releases from Apple and Amazon. It might seem as though those are not really connected to the stock, and I can understand that argument. But I do think that if we see positive numbers from those two companies, we could start to see some upward movements in the market as a whole tomorrow, and that could help the stock possibly break above these levels. We would need to see positive results, though, because if we don't see positive results from those two companies, I think there's going to be a lot of selling pressure in the market more broadly. We did get positive earnings results from Meta Platforms last night. So if we do see a few more of those, it might start to turn stocks in the positive direction, and then maybe we would be able to see a break back above this 2230 level. So here's the current market update for GameStop Corporation, stock ticker GME. Our high value trading strategies membership is currently available for a limited time for only $9.99 per month. These high conviction investment strategies are characterized by superior risk to reward metrics that target massive market beating returns over time. Join now to outperform the market. Lock in this special introductory rate of just $9.99 per month for the entire lifetime of your membership and start trading stocks with the pros.